Right, yeah. So, well, as you can see, what we sell, we started with the minifigures, keep them cheap, pocket money toys, Sputio, comics, and we do the minifigure frames. We do the manga as well. We started doing double packs. We are looking at expanding the Sputio side of things. The comics, fairly steady. Minifigures we get loads of, so but general collectibles, things like that. Selling, we've always done car boot sales, always looking for tabletop sales and things when we were trying just to do something on a weekend, basically. Always had a bit of a Del Boy in me, type of thing, you know, that's how I like to be. We started with the figures on a tabletop, paying £10 a time on a Saturday, did it when we felt like, booked it in, took off from there really, and we started very much as a small little niche business, built it up, carried on, and so then we finally got the stall in because it's paid off for us to do it. So I've always wanted a stall. I've always felt a market stall was my type of thing, more than a shop, and hoping to expand, getting more people in. We've got the Sputio event coming in April, and that's hopefully going to be a monthly exercise. That could lead to having the Sputio Welsh Open in Wrexham. That will be to an international exposure for this place and for the game itself, build that game up. Getting more comic buyers in, which is one of those things. We've got plenty of kids coming in, they love the minifigures. Frame buyers they love it as well. We do custom made for them. It's that expansion.